Welcome to Master Color Theory for YouTube content. In this video, we'll explore how colors shape viewer emotions, guide attention, and transform your thumbnails and designs. Whether you're creating thumbnails, editing videos, or designing graphics, understanding color theory is essential to making your content stand out. Color theory is the science and art of how colors work together and affect human psychology. It's a set of principles that explains how colors interact, combine, and create visual harmony. By mastering color theory, you can create designs that are not just beautiful, but also psychologically engaging to your audience. The color wheel is your foundation. It shows 12 primary colors arranged in a circle. Red, yellow, and blue are primary colors. Orange, green, and purple are secondary colors made by mixing primary colors. Understanding the color wheel helps you create harmonious color combinations that work well together. Color harmony is about combining colors that look good together. Complementary colors sit opposite on the color wheel and create high contrast. Analogous colors sit next to each other and create harmony. Triadic colors form an equilateral triangle and create vibrant, balanced designs. Choose the right harmony for the mood you want to create. Colors are divided into warm and cool. Warm colors are reds, oranges, and yellows. They feel energetic, passionate, and exciting. Cool colors are blues, greens, and purples. They feel calm, peaceful, and trustworthy. Understanding this division helps you set the right mood for your content and thumbnail designs. Colors trigger emotions and carry meanings. Red means passion, energy, or urgency. Blue means trust, calm, and professionalism. Yellow means happiness and optimism. Green means growth and nature. Purple means creativity and luxury. Orange means enthusiasm and fun. Choose colors based on the emotion you want your audience to feel. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. Use contrasting colors to make it pop against other thumbnails. Limit your palette to 2 or 3 colors maximum. Use bright, saturated colors to grab attention. Place your subject in a contrasting color background. Make text readable by ensuring high contrast with the background. Remember, your thumbnail must be compelling in a small size. Define your purpose first. Choose colors that match the emotion you want your viewers to feel. Create visual hierarchy using contrast and intensity to guide attention to important areas. Use the 60-30-10 rule. 60% dominant color, 30% secondary color, 10% accent color. Test your design for accessibility to ensure color-blind viewers can see it. Consider your audience's culture, as colors mean different things in different parts of the world. Color is a language. Use it strategically to communicate emotion and meaning. Psychology drives perception. Understand how your audience responds to different colors emotionally. Practice and consistency are key. Apply these color theory principles across all your content to build a recognizable visual identity. Start implementing these concepts in your next thumbnail and video design.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.